Hello and good evening, or good morning, or good afternoon, depending on when you're watching this particular video. So I'm using this video to respond to a lot of questions I've been getting lately, which has to do with 1688 website not fully functional. All right. So now I want you to understand that you're not the only one experiencing. A lot of people are experiencing this as well. So whenever we are trying to go to the website, this is what we are getting. All right, so I believe they're going to work on it and they will get this solved. So the next option we have now is using the 1688 app. And I'm very much sure that they are already aware of this because a particular step has been carried, which is before now, it's very difficult to find 1688 on Play Store. But when you go to your Play Store, you'll find that the 1688 app is already there. So which means they have uploaded their app on the Play Store. That's for the Android. So I think they decide to go with this move when they realize that people were not accessing their websites or whatever the case might be. So if you don't have the 1688 app, you can download it from your Play Store or your App Store. All right. Now, another thing which I want to introduce is in this particular video is now that we are using the app, it might be so difficult for us to translate, using the Google Translate and the things like that. However, I find another way of translating the 1688 app or platform or something that makes it easier. All right. But then, because of what is currently going on the 1688 network as at the moment, it is limited. It's not giving us the full function. All right, but let me just show you guys so that you can use it, though it might not be fully functional as well because it's still relating back or relying back on their website server. That's for the website. All right, so how do we do this? We can use Alipay to translate the 1688. All right, but like I said, it's still not fully functional because it's as well been affected by what is going on the 1688 platform for now. So how do we do this? How do we use Alipay to translate the 1688 app? Now let me show you that. Now the first thing you have to do is we need to make some settings on our Alipay. Now if I click on accounts, I'll click on accounts. This is my Alipay app. I'll click on the settings icon at the right top corner, right at the right top corner. Then after that, I will click on general. All right, this is the general. You click on general settings. Then after that, you click on translation tools, right? This is it here, translation tools. So you click on translation tools. Then you have to do two things here. The first one is that you have to tick, it's already toggled. This place that I circled has to be on. It is already on. Now, for some people, you might find yours like this. If you find yours like this, that means it is off and you must switch it on. For you to switch it on, just click on it. And once I click on it, it is switched on like this. Now, the second thing I have to do is we have different languages here. All right. But I prefer English. I want to translate the app to English because I understand English. I don't understand other languages. So, but if you understand French, other things, you can just select the language you want. But I want English and I have selected English. So you just click here and select English. But if you want another language, probably maybe Espanol, you can just click on Espanol to select Espanol. All right. So those are the two things which you have to do here. And once you have done that, you have switched on the translation tools. You have selected the language you want to translate it to. That is the 1688 app that is in Chinese. I want to translate it to English. Then I'm done. I'm done here. So I have to go back to the home page of my Alipay. All right. This is the home page of my Alipay. Now from the home page, you need to do something on your search bar. And this is my search bar. At the top of the Alipay, that place you can type something. All right. The search bar. This is it again. This is the search bar. This place I'm circling. So I'll click on the search bar as if I want to type something. Then I'll type in 1688. Just 1688. And once I've typed in that, you click on the search word. This one. This search word I'm circling at the right top corner. You click on that search to search the 1688. Okay. So I'll click on the search. Now it is searching. And this is the results. So you click on this first one. Just click here on the icon. Right? Just click on the icon here. So that's what I will do. And I've clicked on it. And now it's loading. Now, this is the 1688 app. All right, this is a 1688 app. All right, you can see it is not translated. Now, how do you translate it? You see this thing that I'm circling here. That thing that I'm circling, it is something that you can drag around your screen. Let me show you. You can see it. I can drag it anywhere. That is what I will now click on to translate it, which I'm going to do now. So let me click on it. So you can see it's saying translating, and now it is translated. All right, so this is a 1688 app now, fully translated, and you can move from different pages. All right, so let me go to my profile page. Now you can see the profile page is translating as well, and it is translated. All right, so this has been, I've been using this for a while now. All right, so and that's another way of using the 1688 app, and it's very okay. However, like I said, I think it's been affected at the moment. All right, but you can try yours and see if you can go through, because I think at the moment, if you're trying to go to some pages, it might be telling you that error, things like that. Like let us see that. Let me just click on this and let's see if I can check out that particular product. But you can see this is an error. If I translate it using this, so let me translate it. I've clicked on the translate. It should translate. Now, this is what I'm supposed to click on to refresh the page. So if I click on that, it's not refreshing. If I click on this one, it will back the page. So at the moment, I think that is also affected. So I don't know when this will be rectified, but once it's rectified, then you can keep on using this particular method to solve your 1688 app. All right, so for everyone that has been asking me, 1688 is not going, their website is not going, this is not, it's not only happening to you. All right, it's like everyone is literally affected, and I pray that they rectify that soon. Okay, so for now, everyone should go and use the 1688 app. Okay, if you have not yet downloaded it, go to your Play Store, go to your App Store, and download the 1688 app. All right, thank you guys for watching this video.